Okay, so we have completed up to mm, so this continuous delivery with Jenkins in the Kubernetes is remaining. We have just completed this introduction to Docker, and we have already done this in fifth skill batch. So no need to do it here again. Just do this last second one, and it will be completed. Oh my God, we have lots of work to do here. No worry, let's do it. We can do this one. Just sign in here. Here is the password. Paste it here. Accept this terms and condition. Wait a few seconds. It will ask you to accept something more. Accept it. Once it is done, we can move to our last. Okay, it says to log in at first with the. Now it says that we may need this cloud shell, so activate it. Let's activate this. It's really slow. I don't like this laptop. It is really slow. Okay, we have authenticated. Now we can run lots of code without any restrictions. Just clone this, clone it. Okay. Once it is cloned, we clone the lab sample code. We will clone the lab sample code. Okay, it's cloning. Now done. Now change the directory. We'll move to the test directory. That is, this is the directory name. And now Jenkins. Copy this code and paste it here directly. Press enter. Okay, I think we need to wait 1 to 2 minutes. It will take a time. This setup can take up to not 7, it's several minutes, means more than 7 minutes. The extra scope enables Jenkins to access the cloud source repository and Google Container Registry. So let's wait. Once the cluster, we can move to, or we can check this out. Okay, so let's wait. So as you can see that this cluster is completely built here. I think this is done. So we can check our progress. Yeah, you can see this 30 score we have got. So this is done. Now let's move to the next code. Just run this, and once you get the status running, just run this code. Now your credential for the cluster uh, fetched. The Kubernetes Engine will get some information about our Kubernetes Engine uses this credential to access your newly provisioned cluster. Confirm that you can connect to it by running the following code. Yeah, all the information are available here, version and everything. This okay. Now setup helps. Once it runs over the repository is up to date. For this, we need to try to this code. Yeah, it is up to date. If not, then it is now up to date. Download the custom value file, copy this code, and down here. Yeah, it is done. Now use the element CLI to deploy and install it. You need to wait, I think. It's taking a little bit time. Just wait. Yeah, it's really slow. I don't know why it is slow. Is there any problem with your internet or it is slow with your server side? And is there any this command take a couple of minutes to complete? Oh, right. So let's wait. Yeah, it is now ready. Let's check our yeah, Jenkins is successfully installed. Now once the command complete, ensure the Jenkins ports got on running. So for this we need to make sure all the ports are running. Yeah, all the ports. There is only one port. Okay, yeah, and it is in the running status. So we are ready, and now we are ready for the deployment. Okay, yeah, same output, no problem. Run this. Set up the port forwarding. Yeah, it is done. I think. Now check the service is successfully created or not. Yeah, it's created, but there is no any external IP address. So Sally, you need to wait. No need to wait. I think we can connect our Jenkins. To get the Jenkins user interface, click on the web preview button on the cloud cell and move to the port address, something like this. So this is the web preview. We have to go to the port 800. Okay, it's just assigned to Jenkins. Okay, so then use name ID and auto-generated password. What do you mean by this auto-generated password? ID and now you have Jenkins set up here. Okay, I think password is this one is the password. The password. Copy and paste it down here. Sign. Oh yeah, it's working. Now you need to understand something. Do you need to understand anything or I think you don't understand anything? In the cloud cell, just run this code and once it is done, now isolate the deployment by running this code. Once it is done, we need to apply this change. Just go through me, go with me, just run every code. Sometimes we need to wait when production or anything just remaining. But let's see it, read it carefully, and let's check out. Yeah, it is working. Now we scale up the production environment frontend by running the following code and just scaling and it is a scale now and now confirm that your 5 ports are running. For this you need to confirm. Let's see. Yeah, it's running ready, but there are still 4 1 2 3 4 not in the ready status. Confirm that if 2 4 are backend and 1 production, 1 can be. Yeah, they are written. Run it. Great. Now you can take several minutes. Okay, no problem. Oh, it can take several minutes, it says, but paste the actual IP address in the browser to see the card information. Now we store the front-end service into the variable. It says. Now we'll do the same thing. Okay, once it is done, front-end IP service. That is 1.000. Okay, great. You create a Jenkins pipeline. You have to create a pipeline, and our application will be building and developing through that pipeline. I think we need to wait, ignore the warning, and it will not be repository. Okay, ignore that warning, no problem. This must be done. Okay, now we have the repository. Is it command? Remind me about the GitHub and this command will. This devil cell project ID. What do you mean this devil cell project ID? I think this indicate our GCP project ID, and this is inbuilt. Okay, and it says to replace email address in the Git email address. Just to give this one. I don't know if talking about my GitHub or not. There is Git email address and username with Git username. Why? So I need to give. Okay, so we have completed so far. We have done 100 by 100. We got the score, and you can do this remaining as you wish. Okay. Thank you.